In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a new location to your business profile on Booksy. Let's dive right in and make managing multiple locations a breeze for your clients. To start, head over to Booksy.com. Once you're there, locate the login option, click on it, and sign into your existing business account. If you haven't already created one, you'll need to do that first. But assuming you're all set, just sign in as you normally would. Now that you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or perhaps your initials displayed there. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, move on to select Settings and then click on Business Profile. This section is where you can tailor your business information to fit your needs. As we focus on adding a new location, you need to scroll to the part labeled Location or Address. Here, you'll notice an option to add location. Click on it to start the process of adding a new address for your business. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices: adding a physical location or setting up a virtual one. If it's a physical address you're looking to add, simply enter the street address, city, and zip code. You'll see that the map pin adjusts itself automatically to reflect this new entry, ensuring accuracy when your clients are looking to find you. Alternatively, if you're adding a virtual location, you'd select the online or virtual option. Here you can detail how your clients can reach you, such as providing instructions or adding a link, whether it's through Zoom, Google Meet, or another virtual meeting platform. With your location nailed down, it's time to customize some settings to suit your new addition. First, make sure to assign the specific services that will be available at this new location. Tailoring the availability, you can also set distinct working hours just for this location, giving you flexibility and your clients clarity. If you have staff members, ensure they are added to the appropriate location. This is particularly important if certain staff are tied to specific locations. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with your setup, it's time to ensure everything is saved. Look for the Save or Update button and click it. With this step, your changes are now live, and clients booking through your profile will see the multiple location options you've meticulously set up. And that's it! You've successfully added a new location to your Booksy business profile, making it easier for clients to find and book services at their preferred location. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance the service experience for your clients, but also streamline your operations. Happy managing!